Dreaming of Florida living? Dive into luxury with me. We're unlocking the doors to the fabulous Barbados floor plan here at Valencia Harbor in Fort Myers, where 55 plus living gets a serious upgrade. The Barbados floor plan features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a clubroom, great room, 3-car garage, and an expansive outdoor living space. With how many square feet? 2,643. I hope you enjoyed that tour of the Barbados floor plan here at Valencia Harbor in Fort Myers. Give us a call if you have any questions.